Oh, the weather is cold with lots of snow and TV man wears flimsy clothes. Twilight Sparkle advises TV man to wear warm clothes to avoid catching a cold. TV man refused to listen to advice and insisted on going out to play in the snow. Having fun playing with the snow, TV man suddenly thought of making a snowman. Wow, the finished snowman is so beautiful. Suddenly a cold wind blew.
Oh no!
Oh no, TV man is frozen. Twilight Sparkle, please help. Twilight Sparkle helped the TV man into the house. Oh, the ice is so tough. It's best to use fire for warmth, helping the ice to quickly melt. Oh my god, the fire was suddenly extinguished. Oh wow, it's Ember.
Huh? Oh.
Twilight Sparkle asks Ember for help in melting the ice.
What? Okay.
Great, the ice has melted, but TV man seems to be immobilized. Because water had flooded into the energy cell, TV man was short-circuited and unable to operate. Twilight Sparkle came up with a way to blow dry it. Wow, TV man has woken up. Twilight Sparkle reiterated her previous advice to TV man. Twilight Sparkle is cleaning her living room.
Oh!
Looks like Skibidi Toilet has some problem.
Okay.
What's the matter? Skibidi likes Ember. Can anyone guess what? Oh wow. Twilight Sparkle will color the drawing of Ember. Mix orange and yellow together, so we get the most realistic looking fire color. A little red makes the fire more brilliant. Please look forward to seeing the results of the drawing. This Ember is so alive. While waiting for Twilight Sparkle to draw, Skibidi Toilet slept for a bit. Ember shows his talent to Skibidi Toilet.
Wow! Wow!
Ember is amazing.
Come on!
Oh.
Help me!
Something happened already. Oh, it turns out that Skibidi wanted Twilight Sparkle to draw for me. Wait. Twilight Sparkle is thinking how to draw Wade beautifully. What a creative idea. Wade sighs when Twilight Sparkle wakes him up. Because he ran too fast, Wade hit the skibidi toilet, but Wade is okay, because he is water.
Oh. Wow!
Both of them ran out to play. Oh no, both Ember and Wade are fighting Skibidi Toilet. We have to save Skibidi. So Ember and Wade are locked up. Wow, today Amanda bought a new pet, which is a lovely jellyfish. Suddenly, Twilight Sparkle came in and saw the jellyfish placed in the tank. Twilight Sparkle was very curious, and suddenly got the idea to tease. Stinger Flynn feels very uncomfortable and angry when being teased. Oh my god. Twilight Sparkle gets sprayed in the face with water. In the mind of Twilight Sparkle suddenly came up with an idea. Twilight Sparkle continues to tease Stinger Flynn, and finds it amusing. Oh no! Twilight Sparkle gets caught by Stinger Flynn's leg. Amanda came in and helped Twilight Sparkle take her away. Twilight Sparkle is feeling hurt, and Amanda is comforting. Stingerfly still won't let go. Amanda thought of something and suddenly had an idea. Suddenly, a pink jellyfish was turned out by Amanda and caught the eye of Stinger Flynn. Amanda starts treating Twilight Sparkle's burns. Applying ice reduces pain and soothes burns. Then Amanda used aloe vera to cover the wound, helping the wound to recover quickly. Twilight Sparkle has felt so much more comfortable.
Wow!
Twilight Sparkle's leg has been fully recovered.
Thank you!
In her hand, Twilight Sparkle is an invitation to the prom she is about to attend.
Wow!
Twilight Sparkle is trying on the dresses in her closet to find the one that suits her best. Oh my god! Rarity is so pretty. Her outfit is gorgeous. Rarity looked at Twilight Sparkle's outfit and shook her head in disgust. This set is not gorgeous enough to go to the prom. Rarity helps Twilight Sparkle choose outfits, but it doesn't seem like any of them will work.
Wait.
How will Rarity help Twilight Sparkle? Please watch it. Rarity personally made Twilight Sparkle a new outfit. What a good friend. Prepare the cut pieces of fabric. Sketch which shirt. The shirt is so pretty. After sewing the shirt, Rarity continued to design the dress for Twilight Sparkle. Wow, looking forward to the finished dress. Oh wow. This is the finished dress, but something is missing. How beautiful are the stars added to the bottom of the skirt. Make the dress more sparkling.
Wow.
Rarity finished the dress.
Oh. Wow.
The dress that suits Twilight Sparkle.
Okay.
Twilight Sparkle found her shoes missing with something in her hair. Twilight Sparkle is so beautiful.
Thank you.
She thanked Rarity for making her this outfit. At a certain salon, the owner is cleaning up.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
Twilight Sparkle with messy hair wants to take care of her hair.
Okay.
Okay, please take a seat for advice.
Wow. Oh.
Oh, that hair is quite flowing, Twilight in a gentle, good girl style. If it were me, I would choose the hair next to it, which is quite personal.
Okay.
Oh.
Huh?
Twilight Sparkle has too tangled and stiff hair. Need to find a solution to help smooth hair first. Grapefruit will help to nourish the hair very well. There are many quality essential oils on the market at affordable prices. Everyone can refer. I will use grapefruit peel to get the essence. Wow! We already have grapefruit essential oil spray.
Oh.
Spray on and then groom pony. So effective.
Oh.
Trim your hair to make it neater. Let's steam hair now. Mix well the hair conditioner. Everyone, be careful not to get in your eyes. Now let's start drinking the hairstyling batch. It's been a long wait. Can sleep 3 times.
Okay.
Salon is so thoughtful when preparing more food for Twilight. What's the problem?
Help me! Help me!
Oh my god.
Turn it off quickly or it will burn your hair. Take out the lock to see the fruit.
No.
Huh?
Don't worry, Twilight.
Huh?
It will float in no time.
Huh?
Oh my god. The hair is broken. Is the salon reputable?
I'm sorry.
Wow!
Wow,
Oh.
finally wearing a wig?
Huh?
Wow. A big stage for Fluttershy.
Hello, everyone!
She is so beautiful. What show will you bring us? Oh my god. How do you put the ball in your mouth? So good. The audience enjoyed this performance. The girl is so talented. Next comes the Twilight Sparkle repertoire. The girl doesn't look very well. She was embarrassed and cried and ran down the wing. Twilight tells Fluttershy about the incident and wants to help her friend.
Oh.
Put on your mane and start removing your makeup. Use absorbent paper to clean the dirt on the skin.
Oh my god!
Oh my god. Must deal with acne on the skin for Twilight. Use foundation to cover this acne skin. Looks completely different. Great. Next, apply blush, light it up too much and it will look funny. Wear contact lenses to make your eyes more sparkling. Glue the eyelashes and finish the eye part. Apply lipstick to have a fresh and attractive lips in all eyes. Reshaping the hair to increase Twilight's confidence.
Wow!
Wow. Whose daughter is this pretty? Fluttershy is a professional makeup artist.
Bye-bye.
Hello, everyone!
Now Twilight can confidently step on the stage to perform.
All right! 1, 2, 3.
What? A bird? Magic is so cool. The audience was captivated by this performance. They stood up to applaud Twilight. Wow. Pinkie Pie plays the guitar so well, like a professional artist.
Wow! Hi! Yay!
Pinkie is happy when her friend Twilight Sparkle comes over to play.
God! Huh? What happened?
Bye-bye.
Oh no. The house is a mess. Pinkie saw this and immediately ran away so she wouldn't have to clean up. Twilight helplessly had to clean for her friend. Rearrange the bookshelves first, get rid of the garbage on the top of the cabinets. Oh my god. What did Pinkie do that the picture is skewed? The white bed is now full of stains and smells bad. Just put it in the basket and wash it. Just put the dirty clothes directly into the washing machine like that. Like me, I will rub it with water first and then put it in the washing machine because that way the washing machine will be durable and not smelly. Add detergent and press the start button. Wow! The washing machine runs so smooth, washes all the dirty clothes. One more squeeze and you're done. Now take it out to dry. Wow! The sun is so beautiful today, very suitable for drying clothes. Go back to the room to clean up the cobwebs. Oh my god! It's always dusty, I'd be coughing if I were there. The blanket is dry, so now fold it up on the bed. Next comes Pinkie's clothes. The girl is such a mess. Use a vacuum cleaner to suck up dirt and debris on the floor. Wow! It sucks fast and clean. Do you use a vacuum cleaner of a certain brand? Only I can buy it. Wipe the stains on the floor and spray the room to smell good. When the room is fragrant, it will be more interesting to work. The room has been cleaned. Twilight is also tired so she wants to sleep a bit. Twilight Sparkle wakes up Nemo. Oh,
Wake up!
Twilight
wake
Sparkle
up.
invites Nemo to go to the sea to play.
Okay, let's go.
Huh. Got caught by the guards. What do we need to do?
Huh? Hey!
Come back!
Twilight Sparkle has to go back to her room.
Now!
Stop. Where did the blue dolphin go? I bring food to Princess
happened?
Twilight Sparkle. Okay. Please come in.
Okay.
Don't cry, Twilight Sparkle. Ah. Blue dolphin brings food for Twilight Sparkle.
What's happening?
Alright, let's talk to Twilight Sparkle.
Oh.
Hi.
Huh?
Oh. What is the blue dolphin whispering to Twilight Sparkle? So you're running away?
Let's go.
So get out the door. Mommy long legs undetectable.
Okay.
Wow. What a beautiful scene, Nemo. Oh my god. Twilight Sparkle has been kidnapped by Ursula. Hurry up, Nemo. Run and tell Mommy Longlegs.
Oh
Mommy Longlegs. We don't see Twilight Sparkle anywhere.
What happened?
Nemo. Where's the Princess Twilight Sparkle?
Huh?
Use this gem to see where Twilight Sparkle is.
Huh?
Oh. No. Go rescue Twilight Sparkle quickly. Twilight Sparkle now releases the jewel to her hand.
No.
Don't be afraid, I'm here.
Huh? Twilight Sparkle.
Get out of the way so I can cut the door lock.
Ow. Okay.
Okay, let's go, Twilight Sparkle.
Huh? Oh.
Huh. How does it get out?
Yes.
Dr. Rainbow Dash is on the phone with a patient.
Huh?
Rarity cried sadly and came to find Rainbow. I wonder what's wrong with the girl.
What happened?
Huh?
Rainbow asked, but Rarity didn't respond.
What happened?
Rainbow was angry when Rarity didn't answer but kept shaking her head.
Oh.
Oh, so it's because Rarity couldn't hear.
Uh-huh. Huh?
Smart Rainbow took out a pen and paper to write for Rarity to understand.
Oh.
Because Rarity had someone else shout loudly into her ears. Her ears are now damaged and she can't hear.
Oh.
Looking at the hole with a magnifying glass, I discovered that there was a hole in the ear.
Huh? Oh.
Now we will go deeper into the ear to heal the wound.
Oh.
Patch the punctured eardrum. Blow it dry and it will heal.
What?
Oh.
Now I will check to see if my ears can hear the sound.
Oh. Hello. No.
I haven't heard it yet. What to do now?
Uh-huh. Oh. Huh?
That's right. There is no other way but to exercise. Yeah. So good. You will recover quickly.
Ow. Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes. Ears can already hear.
Hello.
Dr. Rainbow was great. Rarity was happy to be able to hear again.